Hello everyone, I am Mr. Troches and welcome to my channel. She is my student Andreita. Welcome Andreita.
Hello everyone, my name is Andreita and I am his student.
She's my student and I'm gonna teach her the long vowel U. So to start this tutorial, I'm going to explain the vowels. So Andreita, do you know what is the vowels?
I don't remember.
Okay, don't worry, I will teach you. The first vowel of the alphabet is the letter A. Repeat with me.
A.
And where is the picture?
An apple.
Yes. The second is the letter E. Repeat with me. E. And the picture is an
Elephant.
yes. The next is the letter I. Repeat with me. I. And the picture is
An ice cream.
awesome. The next is the vowel O.
O.
Where is the picture?
An octopus.
Amazing. And the last one is the vowel U. Repeat with me. U.
U.
And where is the picture?
An umbrella.
Yes, awesome, Andreita. So, what is the long vowels? Okay, the long vowels in English are exactly the same of the letters of the alphabet because in the long vowels only change the pronunciation with a long sound. For example, in the letter A, the sound the letter A is A, and the letter E, the sound change is E. And the letter E, the sounds change too. Is E and no I. The letter O is O. And the letter U is U. So repeat with me, Andreita. The letter A, where is the sound?
A.
Yes. The letter... Wait. The letter E?
Is E.
Yes. The letter I?
E.
Yes. The letter O?
O.
Yes. And the letter U?
U.
Yes, awesome, Andreita. Now, what is the sound of the long vowel U? It is U. Remember, U. When there are two vowels in a word, it normally takes the long vowel sounds. For example, Q. C-U-B-E. Q. You have to pronounce C-U-B. Why? Because the first vowel is U and the last vowel is E. And the vowel E is silent. For example, Q. C-U-B. And I have more examples. For example, mute. M-U-T. Repeat with me.
Mute.
Mute. I have more examples for you. You have to practice. June. G-U-N. Excellent. Rule.
Rule.
Repeat. R. L. Yes.
Rule.
Uniform. 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 Yule. Fuel. Fume. Spume. Duke. Juke. Nuke. Yuk, puke. Use, use. Use, fuse. Use, muse. Cube, cube. Tube, tube. Cute, cute. Mute, mute. So now we're gonna to practice with my student. So I have here some pictures and my students have to pronounce with the correct short vowel U. The first one is
Unicorn. Unicorn.
excellent.
Uniform. Uniform.
Great.
Rule. Rule.
Amazing.
Flute. Flute.
Awesome. And the last one is
Yun.
okay. You did amazing. You deserve a star. Awesome. Unicorn. Awesome. Cube. Yes. Cute. Yes. Two. And that is statue. Thank you for watching this video. This is all for today and follow me for more learning. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.